Ready for this?
Hey guys, how you doing? Your favorite fat man. We're on three wheels. We're out today. We're a little down south, a little ways down to Caesars Creek State Park at the beach park area for Friends of the Canine. Max Sprague. I see Max over there. You know we love him, so we came on down to help support him and the cause and everything. Get a chance to see him. Usually I can't travel too far south to be able to be to any of the big shows that he does, but we're going to try and get down here today, get around and do our thing. We love him. We miss him greatly. Never get to see him like we used to. But we're going to go over, say hey. When they come in, we'll get some pictures of cars. Same way over there, we're going to get across the bridge, down the alleyway, across the walk. We'll go down and see Max.
Set those out for people to take. Hey, brother.
How you doing, man?
Oh, good. I'm so glad to see you.
Love you, brother. God bless.
I love you too. It's been tough.
Yeah. Here, Mom sent you a little something.
What'd Mom send me?
Don't pay attention to the colors. I couldn't get her to do Cleveland. She didn't have any. So,
Ohio State.
yeah.
She made me an Ohio State Afghan.
There you go.
Oh, God bless her.
There you go, Bubba. Been trying to get it to you forever and a day, but you know how that works. I certainly will. Thank you so much. I'll go put that in the truck. I'll be right back, all right?
Was that you that was waving?
Yeah.
I couldn't see.
I know. I told you to get to work.
Oh,
Love you, brother. I'll be right back.
love you too.
If you guys need anything, just holler.
We're looking way over there. Look at him, see? Nova coming in. But we got plenty of room.
You sure do.
Who's directing traffic?
And then the Jeeps come in.
Somebody might want to tell that neighbor.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Excellent. I was just trying to get a picture of that. That's why we're here. Well, Max and Friends of the Canine. Just follow the signs. Excellent, beautiful day. We're out here at the entrance and stuff, going to get some roll-bys. Max got the tunes cranked up, so we may or may not be able to use a lot of the sounds of the roll-in, but we'll still get some shots and we'll see what we can do.
Okay, so are you entering it in the show? Okay, $20 a vehicle. We'd love to have you. Yep, we sure do. I don't need it here. You'll just do it up at registration. Cool, perfect. Okay, so just pull in and Jeeps are going to be in row number 3. See the other two? We have a Jeep area because we always have so many friends that come.
All right.
Thanks for coming.
You guys look this way.
That is.
Yeah, I know who that is.
Troublemaker.
Hi guys. Good, how are you?
Hey, we're going to keep an eye on you. starting already. What's up, Monty?
Just follow the signs, 1 or 2. Return to fill row 1 or 2. You guys pick, okay? Posts.
Food's here. I moved out and way down in the shade around a curb and stuff to get away from the music a little bit, to try and maybe get some of the roll by of all the vehicles that'll be coming in. But we will see what we see and stay cool and save our energy for later on. I'm watching squirrels, little ground squirrels, little chipmunks and stuff over here in the woods. They come out, look at me, and then dart back in. I don't blame them. I get that a lot from people. Wonder why. There's a ultralight gyrocopter up there. Pretty cool. Yeah, we've been out here a good little while in the solitude along the roadway here and stuff in the shade. Sun's starting to creep in on us. We've got quite a few little roll-ins and stuff. We hang out here a little while longer, and then we're going to get in and start doing some roll-bys, maybe some high sticks action, and then take some pictures. But yeah, we'll get a few more, and then we'll go on in. Restroom break.
Yes, I'm about headed there myself.
We came in, took a restroom break. We just want to cruise out here. This is, I know the wind's blowing a little bit. Come out here and take a picture of the beach. All the folks out enjoying the last of the summer days. There's not a whole lot of them left. More cars are coming in, and folks are over there talking and enjoying, and it's a good time. We're going to get back way over there and take some more pictures of cars. There's some puppies right there, itty bitty puppies. How you doing? Long time no see. It's been a little while. When's the last time? When's the last time I seen you? No, I think I saw you once this year, someplace. Who knows? We can do so many. You do so many. I know.
We have too much fun.
I know. It's always fun, isn't it? It's good to see you again.
You too. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Taking a picture of me.
Hold on.
Thank you, sweetie.
Bye.
Bye-bye.